Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to the Mk1 Audii TT build series for a video we've all been anticipating.
Yeah, today is dyno day and of course we brought it down to TTC to see what this is running. Now we know from a factory these run about 225 brake. Now this, if you've been following the build series, does have quite a few bolt-ons ready for the map, but it hasn't been done just yet.
So we're going to be, I'm very curious for this because as we said, we know the factory figures. It's always a big debate whether just bolting some bits on will actually gain you power or lose you power.
This is it. Now I think I'd be happy if it's running stock power, to be honest, because it's done 126,000 miles.
Yes.
So obviously a few of them ponies do escape. Yes,
that's what we're going to say. So like I said, we've done all the bolt-ons ready for mapping, apart from the fuel pump, which won't really affect the power figure.
No.
I am very curious for this. Everyone loves a dyno day. As we said, we are down at TTC, Ashley's new place. We come down, let's give Ashley a massive shout out as we always do. We came down to drop down their new uniform, our new clothing, shameless plug there. We had a bit of spare time. He always looks after us, so
this is very unexpected.
Yeah, he definitely caught us off guard. Luckily we had the camera with us, but it's something we've been meaning to do for a while, so let's get this thing on the rollers.
Scary times.
Very clever people among you may be thinking, why are you taking a four-wheel drive car onto a two-wheel drive dyno? And I'm sure a lot of you will know, with a lot of the VAG platforms, you can simply make them front-wheel drive by removing the fuse for the Haldex, it is, isn't it?
Yes.
Remove the fuse.
Haldex. It's a quattro, but it's a Haldex system.
Yeah, which essentially makes it front-wheel drive, which allows us to run it on this dyno, so don't panic. Right, so Ash has done a couple of runs now. Sort of got it warmed up. We've done a few runs. It survived. It sounds freaking phenomenal, by the way, on the load. But now we haven't seen it, so you're going to see it for the first time with us. Oh! No way!
There we are.
Yeah. So we were hoping for. In my head, I'm thinking if it's over 200, great. It should be 225. And look what we got.
Yes. Perfect.
Yes!
Perfect. I'm really happy with that.
That's amazing.
243 foot-pound. I don't know what they are from the factory, but there's something else we're going to have a look at.
So that equates 184 to the wheels. The torque is 243 foot-pounds. Now, let me emphasize for you that are saying, you've got mods on it. Any modern car, especially a turbo car, in an ideal world, you want the map. You need a remap to sort of get the most out of all the other mods. So I was hoping that the mods weren't going to interfere with the power, so I'd be happy with that. To be honest,
the car does feel better, but I think we eliminated a lot of boost leaks and stuff when we were doing these modifications. So obviously next step with this is fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator for the remap, and then we are literally mapping it. Ash has done a few of these. We've got a rough idea of what we're expecting, but stay tuned because this is about to get one thing we're going to double check first is the temp is coming up over the 90 a little bit, but it could be a temp sensor or it could be the thermostat. I'm going to change it just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, you've just had the water pump done, you've just had everything else done.
Or as Ash said, it could just be worse running lean.
Yeah, again, it's amazing how much modifications can affect cars.
Yeah, it's back down to 90, isn't it?
Yeah, so, it is all good. I mean, it's obviously boosting. I just thought the power curve in general,
don't look too bad,
there's nothing, there's no weird dips.
No.
It's very, and again, when you add mods like bigger exhausts to removing the cat, sometimes the ECU can try and compensate for them, make it go a bit freaky, but
not too bad at all. I'm quite happy with that.
I would be happy.
I said 225. Let's see if I can, try and get to that. And
I would be happy. Like I always say at any diet, I would just be happy with that and happy with that. And we can drive it
I'm gonna be honest, I'm still like, still pretty nervous because obviously putting your car on a dyno, the amount of problems this has given me.
Yeah.
You know, but I am quite happy with that.
But I genuinely think the amount of work you've put in, and this is why we always say, anytime you're going to increase the power or even do a dyno run, do your preventative maintenance. Kenny's done timing belt, water pump, things like that.
99% of it is done in it. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to chuck a thermostat in it before it goes in for the map, just to be on the safe side. Because
you are going to be, like, everything's going to be put under more strain then, so do, again, more preventative maintenance.
And I will be going OEM for sure.
Yeah, that's not something you want to
just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really, I'm really happy with that. I was nervous, but I'm happy.
He doesn't get nervous on much things. I could see you were genuinely, he was quiet. So he was.
Even when the revs are going up and he's screaming on the dyno, it's like, oh my God. But then,
I'm there like, yeah, that sounds awesome.
You know.
Because I can guarantee the noise won't pick up on camera. But yeah, so as I said, Ashley is in his new unit.
Yeah.
My geography is shocking. He is still in Swansea. It's not too far from his old place. He is extremely busy at the moment, but we cannot recommend him enough for. So any of your remapping, dyno needs and mechanical needs, like I said, he is just very busy at the moment. So, but as I said, this is where we bring all of our cars. We make the 45-minute journey just so we can get it in their care in hands.
Exactly.
But yeah, we are about to head to watch it. We've got a nice 2.5-hour drive in this freaking thing now.
I know, yeah, but we're going to see a nice couple of Evos.
Yes, so again, stay tuned. We'll bring you along to that as well for some familiar faces and someone you'll definitely remember, and you'll definitely remember the car. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. It didn't go boo.